Welcome back to another fun episode. It's your boy Gabe, and today we're sticking with the health trend, and I'm going to do turkey smashed burgers. I know, exciting stuff. So let's get started. Okay, so I got my griddle going. The first thing I want to do is I'm going to start with my onions, and I slice these pretty thin. And all I'm going to do is add just a little bit of olive oil and then add those to it, kind of break them up a little bit. And to season them, I'm just going to use this all-purpose seasoning that I have. And I want those onions to cook just for a few minutes to get them started. And then once they get started and once they're almost done, I'm going to put my turkey burgers on. And here, I just have some 4-ounce balls that I'll turn into patties. And again, I'm just going to use this all-purpose seasoning. All right, so my onions are close. Go ahead and throw these guys on. And what I'm going to do is just help them out, put a little bit of oil on here. And then I'm going to go ahead and season these. Okay, and then with my spatulas, give those a nice press. Okay, and then the nice thing is with turkey burgers, they shouldn't take long at all because there's little to no fat in them. Unless you get ones that have a lot of fat in them. But these should only take a few minutes, and then once they're done, we'll put our onions on top, toast some buns, and then cheese our burgers. All right, so the burgers are done. The onions are done. And I went ahead and picked a nice one that I want. I'm gonna take some of my onions, put them right on there. Okay, and then while I'm doing this, I got a nice bakery whole grain bun that I'm gonna use. You can also use pretzel buns, which I have for my brother. But I got some mozzarella cheese. Get that on there, let that melt. And then we'll assemble a burger. All right, so I got my bun. And I have my burger, nice and melty. And then I'm gonna add a nice tomato to it. Got some lettuce. I'm gonna cheat a little bit. I'm gonna add some of this burger sauce to mine. Not a lot. Okay, and then what I have here are some homemade pickles. And the only thing I did was add this to it, 60-second pickling spice. If you wanna check it out, I will put their website in the description below for you guys. Absolutely love this stuff. And it works every time. I usually add a little bit more than it recommends just to give it that nice pickle taste, but highly recommend this. And it's actually a local product, which I didn't know, but check it out if you want to. Like I said, I'll put that link in the description below for you guys. But I'm gonna add a few of these to my burger. And the cool thing about it is you don't need any vinegar, you don't need time, you literally just need 60 seconds, the seasoning, and it does the rest of the work for you. But there you have a turkey smash burger. Let's try it out. All right, I'm kind of excited about this. Cheers. Oh my. That's actually really good. It's not dry at all, which usually lean turkey is pretty dry. That's not bad. And the pickles is actually kind of nice with this. Even if you just have regular pickles, it's still kind of nice with this. But the mozzarella cheese is really good with this, and this is actually really flavorful. I was kind of surprised. Because I've had turkey burgers in the past and they're just dry. Because they're I call them the hockey pucks. But this, real turkey, good stuff. That was pretty good. Well guys, there you have it. A smashed turkey burger. If you like this video and you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that sub button and notification button. Comment down below, tell me what you guys think. And as always guys, peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.